Hello there one and all, and welcome to this live stream video for the property that's in front of me. And today we're in Cholmeley Place in Reading, close to Cemetery Junction, about a 20-minute walk to the town centre. It's a really nice walk actually along the river. Alternatively, walk down to the end of the road, which I'll just spin around here, walk down to the end and turn right. It takes you onto the main road and there's a regular bus down there. So as I'm outside, I'm just going to spin you around slowly just to give you an idea of the surrounding area. So Cholmeley Place, is a private little cul-de-sac off Cholmeley Road, which is the road that you can see down the end. And on the corner here is a small convenience store as well. So it's lovely and quiet back here. And the house I'm bringing you today is this one here. So, with this being a live and interactive video, please feel free to ask me questions as I wander through. I'll do my best to answer those there. You can also request private viewings as well. So, heading on in, we are into the reception room. So very typical for the style of property. The reception room here. Now, once upon a time, there was probably a wall up to create a small hallway, but as with a lot of these properties, it's been opened up to give you a slightly bigger reception room. Gas fire down here. Now the property needs a little bit of work, a little bit of TLC, but the beauty is everything works. So it's double glazed windows, and you've got this lovely big window here. Oh, private inspection already, so yeah, we'll certainly get on to that one there. Double glazed windows. Oh, hello there, caught myself in the mirror. So really well insulated throughout. So that's the front reception room. What we'll do, come on through. So as with the style of property, this is the second reception room here, currently being used as a home office. So really good size again, nice and comfortable. And where that gas rad is, probably behind there, is the old fireplace. Chimney still up, nice big window as well, lets lots of light in, and you get a glimpse of the rear garden, and we'll head out there in a moment. So understairs storage, as you can probably guess, sort of full of bits and pieces at the moment, but there's your consumer units as well. And then we head on down into the kitchen. So kitchen here now has got space for a washing machine, but the current owner has removed that as there's no chain with this property here. The owner is basically moving into another one that she has, so be nice and straightforward. Small fridge freezer here could remain, and there's a gas hob just there. So there's a gas line, if I show you behind, on this one here. So good style kitchen. And heading on down to the bottom, we have a downstairs WC. There we are. I'm just showing you the kitchen from the side there. So nice big window, and you've got the tiled top on that one there. So everything works in here. There is a lady there is someone that currently lives here. So we know it all works, and she's very happy here, but she has a bigger property that she's hoping to move into. So let me show you the rear garden. So relatively low maintenance, a little bit of grass here and there. There is a shed down the end which would be remaining, and good quality fencing as well, which is good. I'm just going to wander down the garden just to show you that here. So it does come back all the way, and let me turn around here and give you a view of the back side of the house. So there we go. So as you can see, sort of a couple of houses down here, they've gone into the attic, they've done loft conversions and things like that. This one hasn't, so it gives you some scope for development. If you're looking to expand the size of the property, you can do relatively easily. You'll be bringing it into line. Your next door neighbour as well, you can see here, has got quite a good size extension, and on the size as well. So again, you could bring into line as well. So this hasn't been extended at all. This hasn't been extended, so it allows you a bit more scope to do some work. So just locking the back door. Right, so what I'll do, I'm just going to take my shoes off and we'll head on upstairs. So, typical with the age of the property, you have these quite steep stairs coming up, but I think it just adds to the charm and character. So this here is your front bedroom, currently being used as a reception room, but you do have these really good sized built-in wardrobes. If I open there, nice and deep, lots of storage space throughout it there. 2 windows at the front, lets lots of light in, and then you've got your gas rad coming through. So this is bedroom number 2, currently being used as the bedroom. Turn that up there. So in here, there isn't the wardrobe space, there isn't a wardrobe built in. Current owner uses the wardrobe in the other room, but uses this as the bedroom, and the reason being is because she likes the fact that it's a south facing garden. So really good, lovely double room. Now over here, this is your bathroom. So once upon a time this would have been bedroom number 3, so this is a 2+1 style, but the +1 has been turned into the bathroom. So really good sized bath, couple of steps down, but really good sized bath. Myra shower as well, and we've got the pedestal sink, and then there's your boiler here. Now it is a combi boiler, it is serviced annually, and there is a service plan available on this boiler, and the owner has already asked about transferring the service plan to the new owner, which you'd be allowed to do. So it's good news. It's good to know that your boiler would be maintained and always working well. There is an attic, well there's loft access just here. Unfortunately I am not quite tall enough to reach to take you guys up there, but as we've seen from the outside, quite a few of the properties have done loft conversions, so you would be able to extend into it to give you a bit more room. Now that unfortunately it brings us to the end of the tour, I'm afraid. It's a wonderful house, it really is. There's some great scope for extension or improvement. You know, one thing potentially you could do is put a wall up along here to create a small corridor, remove the chimney, create a small corridor, and then you've got 2 bedrooms up here with the bathroom down the end. But there's all sorts of bits and pieces you could do, and that's it. So if there's no more questions, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign off. I want to thank you for joining me. It's been an absolute pleasure showing you around, and I look forward to seeing you at your private viewing. For those of you that have requested, we will be in touch soon to get that booked in. And take care, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye bye.